Well, so here we are with another back of the truck mower repair. This one without the gas tank, but with that red beauty cover. That's how I had this thing in the Horde. I don't remember if I've ever messed with this one. I don't remember if I ever tried to start it or anything, but I've definitely pulled parts off of it. I don't even know how long I've had this thing in my ownership, but no carburetor, no O-ring even. Governor spring has to be changed out. That's a gas tank from the Horde with the gas cap. This is an air box from the Horde with a good primer in it. Just need to put an air filter in it. I have a carburetor. It's already cleaned out. Started kind of doing that when I've had some downtime, just cleaning out the old carburetors that I have lying around and getting them ready for a quick install. I've got the associated hardware I need off of everything. And of course, that beauty cover. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to have to source a new fuel line, but see what we can find in the Horde. First thing we'll do, since it's kind of the easiest, is remove this messed up governor spring. A good one off of a parts machine, parts engine I should say. Let's install it. Now of course, when we do have it installed, I might have to, when the mower's running, adjust this piece. I don't know if the prior owner had messed with this or not. I've got a new filter box gasket as well as an O-ring. Let's get this ready for install. So, new O-ring, stick that on. Installing the carburetor. Alright, so I found a good used fuel line that we installed. Also found, well, it was in my mag tray, a bushing from that other spare gas tank that I had. Here's the proper bolt. Now just to install those three top 5/16 bolts. Those three bolts are installed. Bring the new gasket on. For this, with an impact, I'm always very careful with how tight I reinstall. Notice how slow I go. So not too bad. Now I just have to find a blade control cable, which I think I'm going to have to use one of my new ones for this, but that's okay. So here we are, brand new blade control cable. Probably stick another zip tie through here just to stop it from flopping so much. But everything works as advertised. So let's get it off of the back, get some gas in it and see what happens. All right, so let's see what we can get it to do. So it appears to me that the only issue was with this bracket right here. Now it's touching, it was not before. So we'll get it all back together and try it again. So try two. Works great now. I'm gonna let it run a little bit off camera, but as far as you guys are concerned, the video is over. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more.